Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is the BGS, the bench grinder stand. It's 835 millimetres from the floor, so it's a nice comfy height to work from when you put your grinder on it. The base down here has a large cast iron weight, which is pre-drilled to allow you to permanently fasten the stand to the floor. So it's very, very stable. We have two slots in the front, and they are for your spare stones. Now they'll take a maximum stone diameter of 8" or 200mm, and the width, maximum width of 1.5" or 40mm. Okay. It's very, very stable and it's very strong. Here we have a coolant floor, which, as you can see, is nice and deep to enable you to cool the metal you're working on down in your shaping. On the top we have a universal fit, and it comes complete with bolts to fasten your grinder on. So to recap, we have a cast iron foot at the base of the column with pre-drilled holes so we can fasten it to the floor. We have storage for two 8" wheels, we have a coolant tray, and then we have a universal fixing plate on the top of the column to enable us to fasten, in this case, a BG8. Not forgetting the all-important figures.